made using iCraft's Flimsy Sheets. Here is a quick tutorial. First you have to take any scissor and separate the flower from the sheet and give proper fussy cut. Once you're done, to each and every flower you have to give a little deep cut to the between two petals. Then you have to take a tea light candle and hold it properly, the flower, and heat it each individual petal. And using your ball tool and an embossing pad, you can just shape up them. Once it starts heating, it will give you a beautiful shape the way you want. This is how you have to do each and every petal, with the ball tool doing a cupping from the back side. For the nice gloss, heat your petal from the back side. Once you do with all the petals, using a smaller ball tool, just cup them from the center. So this will give you a 3D effect. Once these flowers are ready, can be used in the center, any pearl or any other floral decorative pollens or any material in center. And this can help you to ideally decorate your home decor articles like a platter, jewelry. You can make a lot of things out of this one. Thank you.